Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing transfer proof makeup. Now this is makeup that is not going to transfer, and because this is like cold and flu season, I thought this was like a great time to post because like blowing your nose, you just don't want your foundation to like rub off. So if you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, subscribe to my channel and let's get into this video. So transfer proof makeup, and this routine is specific to the products that I am using because I have found that these specific products, the way that they're layered, creates a transfer proof makeup look, and it's just so good. So let's start off by priming with my technically Project Pan primer, but it is the LYS Secure Skin Serum Primer. And I like to pretty much just like drop this all over my face because it's very moisturizing, it is very lightweight, and it is very like serum feeling. And it gives my face a very moisturized base to work off of. You can find the LYS primer at Sephora, and every single time that I use this like transfer proof makeup routine, obviously like it's always with this primer. Now for foundation, we have the Makeup Revolution Super Matte 2-in-1 Full Coverage Foundation and Concealer. And this is the magic behind this makeup look. I think this is the magic right here. So I always use a damp beauty blender. I apply it on my skin like so. And it's so like beautiful and such a, it says matte, but I just feel like it's so skin-like, and it's almost like a satin finish. I don't think it's really matte. Like on me, this is not matte. So I have the shade F2. I did replace the cap with a pump because it was like just an open thing, and it works way better as a pump. And you can actually buy these pumps on eBay, and I will try and link them down below for you. But look how like bougie it makes it look. Makes it look really, really nice. So I do one pump on one side and then one pump on the other side. So we're using about 2 pumps of this product overall. And it just creates this like beautiful, even, gorgeous like makeup look. So this is what the face is looking like so far. We just have primer and foundation. And for concealer, we're going to be using the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. I concentrate this in areas where I'm having some breakout problems. So, and then also as a under eye corrector slash like brightener. So we're just going to concentrate this in some of my problem areas. And this is all a part of the transfer resistant makeup, is the Quickie Concealer. This is what I've been using as my concealer, and when I do this routine with these products, it doesn't transfer like at all. So we're going to just tap this in. We're going to set our face with the Maybelline Glass Spray. Now this is a like dewy, refreshing spray, but there's a trick to this. So we're going to spray my face, kind of let it sit for a minute, and while it is still wet, I'm going to set my face with my setting powder. And the setting powder I'm using is the Sephora Microsmooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. I've heard that this is a dupe for the like Dior powder, no powder, and I got that dupe from Angelica Newfist, so I was like, yeah, let's try it. So I take this fluffy brush and really just like pat this into my skin and really just like smooth everything out and set everything down. That setting spray is still wet as well. And that's the key. You want it to be wet. I also like to take my Maybelline Fit Me with a little velour puff and then just tap out my under eyes right here. And I just tap out some areas that like need a little bit of extra setting powder. And then I go in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is the jumbo size, like 6 fluid ounce one. You can get it on Target for like $13. And it smells really pretty. Like, so this is what we're working with so far. Everything is still wet. So we're going to apply the rest of my like powder products. So like my bronzer, my blush, my highlighter, and then we're going to do like a test. Actually, I'm going to do a test right now to show you guys kind of like what the face feels and looks like. So I'm just making sure that my face is like fully set. So far, the complexion just looks like absolutely stunning. But let's pressing this in. Nothing, absolutely nothing has come off on this piece of, I got toilet paper, but look at this. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Nothing is coming off. Guys, like this is such a beautiful, and it looks flawless. Like this is just so beautiful. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. We don't have the eyeshadow on yet, but let's take my toilet paper, my tissue, and we're going to press this and take a look. Nothing came off. Here is the completed makeup look. We have set everything down. We have highlight on, we have eyeshadow on, we have our mascara on. This is the transfer proof makeup routine that I have been following lately, and it literally just does not transfer at all, and it's gorgeous. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. Let's just take my tissue and press, and again, nothing. There is nothing there. Like nothing is coming off at all. And it just looks so beautiful, so flawless. So there you have it, a transfer proof makeup routine. The like total retail of this foundation, which I think is like a huge key, is $5. And I'm pretty sure that that is like the key to this transfer proof makeup, but like all of the steps all together create this like transfer proof, like resistant makeup. And if you're wearing white or anything like that, it will not get on it. So if you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, unsponsored content, please consider subscribing, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!